But that means if you're a kid under legal swearing age, I'm kindly asking you to leave to preserve your precious ears. But if you won't leave, I'll have to scare you away. Ready? Shit. Fuck. Bitch. Pirouette. That being said, there is one word that's prevalent in raps that I don't think I'm in the position to say, and dang it, why is this glue melting? Okay, well, I'm pretty sure we all know what word I'm talking about, so in the future, I'm just gonna replace all occurrences of that word with ninja.
Just a little quick note, this is the real ColusDragon account. Do not believe all of these ColusDragon accounts with the nicknames of real or whatever there is. There is some shenanigans that are happening in the server that caused this. So yeah, you need to be more careful if you wanted to talk to me directly.